The easiest real money games to trust are usually the ones that clearly explain eligibility, withdrawals, fees, and tournament rules before you ever enter a paid match. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 games that do a better job of presenting their policies clearly and what sections you should always read before depositing money. First is Solitaire Cash. The app includes dedicated sections covering gameplay, withdrawals, eligibility, and tournament participation. Before entering paid competitions, take a minute to review those rules so you understand how the system works. Second is Bingo Cash. It explains how paid tournaments operate, where cash competitions are available, and how withdrawals are handled. Reading those details before playing helps prevent confusion later. Third is Bubble Cash. The app provides information about gameplay rules, account requirements, and tournament participation. If you're trying a competitive game for the first time, those explanations make getting started much easier. The fourth recommendation is Pool Payday. Along with the gameplay instructions, the app clearly outlines match participation, account management, and other important policies. That makes it easier to understand what happens before and after each competition. The fifth choice is 21 Cash. It explains the basics of competitive gameplay, player eligibility, and account expectations in language that's straightforward enough for new users to follow. Clear terms matter because real money games aren't available everywhere. Some locations have restrictions on cash tournaments, and every platform has its own policies for withdrawals, account verification, and acceptable gameplay. Reading those rules first saves time and avoids unnecessary surprises. You should also review the withdrawal section before making a deposit. That's where you'll usually find information about supported payment methods, verification requirements, and any conditions that apply before cashing out. Another good habit is checking the help center before contacting support. Many common questions about tournaments, deposits, withdrawals, or account settings are already answered there, which can save you from waiting for a reply. Remember that clear terms don't guarantee you'll win money. They simply make it easier to understand how the platform operates, what your responsibilities are, and what to expect if you decide to compete in paid matches. To recap, Solitaire Cash, Bingo Cash, Bubble Cash, Pool Payday, and 21 Cash all make a noticeable effort to explain their rules and policies before you start playing for real money. Before joining your first paid tournament, spend a few minutes reading the game's rules and help pages instead of skipping straight to the action. That small step can prevent bigger problems later. If this video helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other videos covering the best real money games and reward apps in 2026.